Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I'll tell you what happened actually. So I lost my room keys. So the property management gave us one key for each of our roommates. So in total there are four keys for our room, and I lost my key. So now I'm going to a store called Ace, which is sort of a hardware store. So where they can duplicate a key, like if you give them another key. So I took one of Prashant's key, one of my roommates' key, and now I'm going to Ace. I actually called them and asked if they have the key duplication service. They said they have it, and they said they'll close it by 5 p.m. So now it's approximately 3:40, and it's around 0.8 miles. I think I can make it. It's around 1 kilometer. If I walk for 20 minutes, I can make it. So I'll go there, I'll duplicate my key, and then come back. This is just going to be a casual walk, alright? By the way, I also decided to end my YouTube videos with time lapses now. So instead of just keeping a black, black screen and writing on it, thanks for watching, I just keep a time lapse which you can really see, and even I enjoy recording it. So just a new upgrade in my YouTube videos. So I'll go to the Ace store and I'll see you there. See that. Why is it running away from me? Is it a game? Did you teach her anything?
Oh no, she's just like super duper shy. It's okay, Julie.
I think she's scared of this camera thing.
Probably. She's scared of everything.
Come on.
Come say hi, Julie. Gucci. Come here. Don't be so shy. Say hello. Come say hello.
Come on, please. My audience are watching me. It's embarrassing.
Julie,
come.
Huh?
It's okay. It is quiet. I don't want to scare him more. Bye.
Good girl.
Hey, I'm generally good with dogs. I don't know why that puppy was so scared. It's okay. Next time probably will. But it was running away from me. Probably it saw this tripod and like the dead cat of my mic, so probably it was scared of it. But when I visited a dog park in Hyderabad, like generally dogs were getting attracted to this dead cat and they were coming near me. I don't know why this dog was trying to run away from it. Anyway, it's okay. Next time, better luck next time. We'll prepare it next time. As most of you already know that my trip to Georgia was cancelled, I actually thought of going alone to Georgia. Like there's Clemson railway station. There was Clemson railway station. So there is one train every day from Clemson to Atlanta. But that train is from 6 a.m. in the morning to probably 9 a.m. That's only one train in a whole day. And I need at least 2 days in Atlanta to see places, so like it's okay. And even if I go and stay in hotel, it will be too costly for me, because that trip which Clemson organized was charging us only $50 for whole transportation and hotel. But if I go and stay in hotel for 2 days, it would cost me around probably $150 or $160, which is too costly. I can't afford it. So I was like, okay, next time we'll go. Next time I'll just show this railway station. It's actually like on the way to the Ace store. I thought I'll just come inside and I'll show you. So the train actually passes from in front of my apartment. So like that side is my apartment. So I think in one of my vlog, I think it's SSN vlog, I think you saw a train going in front of my apartment. Like the track was exactly opposite to my apartment. So this track actually goes through. So if I walk along the track side, I'll go to my apartment, but I'm not going to do that obviously. So yeah, come, let's go to Ace Hardware store. That's it. That was so fast. It's crazy. Like it was only 30 or 40 seconds, and they duplicated my room key. Like it had two, like one input holder and one output holder. So it just like how do I say this? So it just senses which area has those notches and cuts, and then it transmits that signal to the output one, and that cuts in that place, and it is just grinded in post processing and it's finished. It's like I took a video, I think it's 42 seconds, it's done. I really like it. I learned something new today. And I also need to take one AC filter. So my in my apartment, its size is 14 into 12 into 1A, I guess. Let me check it once. 14 into 18 into 1A. I need to find that. Okay, this is 12, 12, 12, 24, 16, 20. This is 20. This is 20, 25, 14. I think there is 14 rack. Like I got duplicated my key, but I was not able to find the AC filter. I'll just show you what AC filter I'm talking about. So depending on the apartment size, even the AC filter size it changes. So R1 was 14 cross 18 cross 1A, but all like it was out of stock. Only 14 cross 20 cross 1A were available. So I asked them when it will come back. They said probably by next Friday the new stock should come in. So we'll go in the next weekend and bring 2 or 3 of them. So we need to change that AC filter every 45 days or 1 month depending on the quality of that filter. So generally in Ace we can find 2 of them. One costs around $2, which is like which we can use it for 30 days. Another one costs for $4, which they say we can use it for 45 or like 50 days. So we generally buy the cheaper one compared to the $4 one. We buy $2 one and we change it every 30 days. We recently changed it last week, so we still have 3 weeks of time to change the next one, but we thought we'll just buy 2 of them. Anyhow I'm going to duplicate my key, so I'll just bring 2 of them or 3 of them and keep it in stock. But it's okay. I think I need to come back next weekend to Ace again. By the way, it costed me around $2.99, so it's approximately $3 to duplicate a key. They said depending on the key it can be anywhere from $1 to $5. Like if the key has more complicated what is it called, the notches, edges and all, I think it will cost you more, as far as I understood from that machine. But that machine was really cool. I liked it. So its name was H190 Promatic 200 or something. I think it's the grade of it, but it is really cool. The way it works, I really liked it. I never saw it. So So that's it, guys. I just thought I'll vlog. Anyhow, I'm going to walk. I'll just vlog. So I'll be attaching a time lapse now at the end of the video. Enjoy the time lapse and have a nice day. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.